Blake Lively is trading It Ends With Us drama for new adventure rom-com The Survival List. Blake Lively, fresh off It Ends With Us and its legal drama, is switching gears. She's set to star in Lionsgate's action comedy rom-com The Survival List, following the studio's success with Another Simple Favor. The new movie follows reality TV producer Annie, who's sent to work on a new show with renowned survival expert Chopper Lane. Well, until they're stranded after a shipwreck, and Annie realizes that Chopper doesn't actually know how to get them out of a deadly situation. And it wouldn't be a rom-com if these two didn't develop feelings for each other along the way. A woman in the media finds herself stranded with a colleague? That reminds me of Sandra Bullock's The Lost City, and I'm not mad about it. Lionsgate will bring the movie to life with Scott O'Brien. Blake Lively will produce, and Mark Platt is in talks to join her in the behind-the-scenes role. Rylane's Tom Melia wrote the script. So far, we know that the movie will be led by Blake Lively as Annie, but we don't have word yet on who will play Chopper. I could totally see someone like Chris Hemsworth taking that role, but stay tuned for official cast updates. Just like with everything else in the world, the internet had a lot to say about Blake's new movie. Yet another movie that won't be worth watching, one user on X tweeted, while another said, "At Lionsgate likes taking risks, it seems," referencing the reports that Blake tried to take creative control of It Ends With Us. But Blake's fans are more than excited to see her on screen again. "Blake keeps staying booked and busy," a fan said, while another agreed, perhaps more passionately, that the actress is booked and busy.